Today I made the ARK. The ARK has a shelter for the animals and the people on the ARK. The roof of the ARK can open. You can also play on the roof of the shelter too. In the shelter, there are two men drinking beer and animals that are playing together and a dog looking out the window. Over here, there's a tire. The tire spins and the water goes pushing to make the ARK move. The tire can move side to side to make it go right and left. Now over here, there's a man catching two fish and has a bread to share with the others. Suddenly, a dove came to tell us that the wave has calmed down. In his beak, he has an olive leaf. Thank you.
Bye-bye.